MTR, the best in the industry, is known for their quality products with reasonable prices. First started in Lal Bagh with authentic South Indian ambience, with over 28,000 employees all over their branches, having a systematic process has managed to gain customers with its attractive promotions. Let's explore.
So here we are at MTR, Mavali Tiffin Room. MTR departmental store, it is written there. So it is situated in almost in the heart of the city. You can reach here by many means of transport. Like Lal Bagh is right there. Lal Bagh metro station, you can reach here. From KR Market also you will have many buses and it's really feasible to reach here. You can see how busy these roads are. And at midst of these things, you can see an old building over there which was written Mavali Tiffin Room.
I got the token. Let's go. So I took token for 6 people. First plate costed me 270 rupees. Now we are going up. Have our lunch. Let's have delicious lunch. It's a long waiting queue. Wait for like at least half an hour, 1 hour. I gave my token to that guy. He gave me a new number. Now when he will call me, we will go inside and have lunch.
Way to our dining hall. Look how busy and crowded the place is. Yet the employees here are working with so much dedication in order to just satisfy the customers. Every item served here was explained by them, and we even observed that none of them wore slippers, which shows how devotional they are towards their work. Guys, the work that you're doing is really awesome.
Be it any time of the day, this place is always crowded. This is one of the must-visit place for any newcomers to the city. We have even seen few foreigners enjoying their meal and waiting for the queues for their tokens. This place is quite common among all group of people. It is feasible and the ambience is quite good. So here we are with the coupons and the anticipation for the food has started within us. Let's get started.
Everyone, we are at MTR Lal Bagh today. Pure and perfect, staying very true to its tagline since 1924. Mavali Tiffin Rooms serves the most authentic South Indian food here. So first they start by serving grape juice and then masala dosa, sagu, this is palya, chutney, puri and now kheer. Yeah, sweet. No, it's a burfi.
Ice cream burfi.
Huh?
Ice cream.
Ice cream burfi. Ever seen burfi made of ice cream? Take a look at this. I love the masala dosa. It was very good. And even the sweet.
Anything else, Akhil?
Food is life, yeah. Food is life.
Nothing can beat MTR food, okay, you know?
So here talking about the ambience. So this place is like a 95-year-old building. This place was started in the 1920s, and the ground floor is a self-serving one, while the first floor is a fine dining. And we have almost like all the food served in the plate, and there is no more place to serve any more dishes.
So Akhil, this is very good. But this now, this Isabella filled with carrot, and you have beans. And you have this thing, onion, and you have cashew nuts, and this really completely reminds me of my home. You know what? They just keep on serving food and I'm not able to eat. You see, completely this plate is completely filled with food and they just keep on serving.
Pranavi, ಬೇಗ ತಿನ್ನು ಪ್ರಣವಿ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
There is just 40-minute time limit. We came in the peak hour, that's the only disadvantage. So we have to be very fast.
As promotion is concerned, you can see that these photos actually depict that this MTR is being run for many years. This photo actually depicts that this MTR, this particular place has been for 95 years. And you can see there are many various photos. You can see many leaders, they have come here to eat, have their food here. And one more thing, they have got so many awards. This actually portrays that they have been running their restaurant successfully for many years. This award, particularly Times Food Award, depicts that Best South Indian Tiffin Restaurant. They got this award at 2006.
In the year 2011, MTR came up with a revolutionary change in their own business. That is MTR Snack Up. We have many varieties of foods that have been served in MTR.
Now we are here at Mayas, which proves to be one of the most toughest competitor for MTR in terms of providing food services. It was founded by Sadananda Maya with his son Sudarshan Maya, and let's check their major aspects, which includes price, quality of food and their services to the customers.
Sipping a coffee here at Maya's, which was once the founder of MTR, and the costs here are quite high. Like an example, the ice cream scoop here
I got this one scoop of ice cream for 80 rupees. Compared to MTR, it was only 50 rupees.
You know what? This coffee would be a treat for coffee lovers like me.
And the tea here tastes really good. You know what? The tea I prefer is because of the fact that it gives you taste, it gives you energy, and it is completely amazing.